If you're finding yourself staring at an error message because Uber Eats won't let you add your card, you're not alone, and we've got you covered. First things first, let's triple check those card details. Make sure the card number, expiry date, and CVV or CVC code are entered exactly as they appear on your physical card. Even a single typo can cause problems. Also, confirm that the billing address you've entered in the Uber Eats app matches the billing address your bank has on file for that card. This is a very common reason for payment rejection. Next, let's check your Uber Eats app itself. Go to your account settings and find the payment or wallet section. Sometimes, simply removing the existing card and reading it can clear up a temporary glitch. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to contact your bank or credit card issuer. They can tell you if there are any restrictions on your account, like online transaction limits, or if they've flagged a transaction for security reasons. A quick call can often resolve it instantly. Another crucial step is to ensure your Uber Eats app is up to date. Head to your device's app store, search for Uber Eats, and see if there's an update available. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve functionality, including payment processing. Lastly, if none of these steps work, try deleting the app entirely and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This can sometimes reset corrupted data and provide a fresh start for the app. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get your preferred payment method added to Uber Eats in no time. Happy ordering!